Hey everybody! So it's time to keep going with our math Olympiad training. We're looking forward for state on math counts. We're doing some of last year. Okay, so it's still target round problems 3 and 4. They're right here. This is problem 3. Okay, so let's get to it. Right, problem 3. It costs a geometrist $400 to set up a machinery and $3 to produce each bicon. If she makes bicons and sells the bicons for $8 each, what is the least positive number of bicons she has to sell to avoid losing money? So it's important we don't lose track of what's being asked, right? So for each bicon, she makes $5, right? Because she sells them at 3, but it costs her 3. She sells them at 8, but it costs them 3. So, in order to break even, to avoid losing money, she would have to make up for those $400. So we just do this quick division, and if she manages to sell 80 bicons, she would break even, right? She would not lose any money at all, and but she's still not making money. Okay, so that's why we have to keep track of what we're being asked. If we write down 81, she's not losing money, but she's actually gaining now. It's not the least. Yeah, it's not the least positive number, right? So this one was fairly easy. Let's move on to number 4. Remember, you have very little time to do this problem, so get as quick as you can with the ones that you can. Move on to the next one. Okay, so in this rectangle ABCD, side AB has length 10 and side BC has 6. I'm gonna put it over here, and point Y on side BC is such that CY is 2. So right away we know this is 4. So we do AY segment crosses over BD at point E, and we want to know the length of segment AE. Okay? Express your answer as a common fraction in the simplest radical form. Alright, so this is two-step problem, right? So we want to know this length, so it would be, it's really useful if right away we figure out we have to do some Pythagorean theorem right here. So it's 10 squared, 4 squared, this is 100 plus 16, 116. So this is square root of 116 is 2 times square root of 29, right? And the second one, which is because you could do this and still get nowhere, is you have to see that these two triangles are similar triangles, right? So it's a very simple trick. It's fairly common. It's classical now, right? So you have two parallel lines right here and two lines that cross over. So that has to yell at you that these triangles are similar, right? Okay, so they are similar, and these numbers right here are telling you the ratio. So it's 3 to 2, and you know that the whole line is 2 times the square root of 29. So now it's fairly easy. You have this number, which is the whole line. We're gonna divide it by 5 because this is 3x and this is 2x, right? So it's 5. And then we need 3 of those fifths, right? So it's 3 times this thing, so we get a 6 right here. And that's it. That's the whole problem, right? 6 times square root of 29 divided by 5. That's as simple as you can put it down. But just remember, because this is a fairly common thing on math counts problems, you have to look for this, right? So when you have two parallel lines and two lines that cross over them, these triangles that are being formed are similar, right? So you find out their proportions based on these sides that we are given, and you manage everything else to find out. Okay? So math counts go very easy. We have to do this. We have to be able to do these problems very quickly, very right away. So that's it for today, right? So if you have math counts problems of your own, you could post them on the comments. I tried my best to do them for you, to help you out, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.